Today we are looking at the FLASHFORGE AD5X Multi Color 3D printer, the one promising Core XY speed, 4-color printing, and a 300 degrees Celsius high-temp direct extruder. On the product listing, it's being pushed as a high-throughput, multi-filament machine with an intelligent filament system, IFS, auto-filament loading of unloading, and even an auto-refill idea for long unattended runs. Basically, FLASHFORGE engineered this to be more production-friendly than your average hobby printer. If you're checking price right now, FLASHFORGE's own store and some Amazon listings have it on promotional prices from around the mid-hundreds. It moves around with deals, so do check the current Amazon page for the live price. And yes, we share by links in description box. Talking performance, the AD5X is advertised with up to 600 mm per second travel and a big flow hot end for fast extrusion. They quote large flow rates and support for PLA, PETG, TPU, and some carbon fiber blends. There's an all-metal Core XY frame intended to keep things stable at speed, one-click auto-leveling, vibration compensation, filament detection, and a color touchscreen for controls. From customer chatter on the listing and forums, you'll hear praise for how quickly it finishes prints and how useful multicolor combos can be for demos, but also notes that the speed claims are optimistic for very detailed prints. You'll still dial back speed for best detail, and some users had to tinker with profiles to get flow dialed in. Pros: crazy fast potential, multicolor IFS, heavy-duty hardware. Cons: you may need to tune slicer and flow settings for top quality, and multicolor setups always add complexity. So my takeaway: if you want a workhorse that can run multicolor jobs and you value throughput over out-of-the-box museum-perfect surface finish, the AD5X is exciting and priced competitively when on sale. It's not the simplest plug-and-play toy, but for makers, small shops, or streamers who need eye-catching multicolor prints quickly, it's a fun, powerful option. Remember to check the Amazon listing for the latest price and reviews. And of course, we share by links in description box.